Na kiratile ngwane motle di chabe Na kiratile ngwane motle di chabe Mwana motle seponono sa di kwati marambe Mwana mutle seponono za di kwati marambe I've been praying for you, I can't wait for I do Ka khomo tsantate di feletse Oh yes I do
Oh yes I do I guess it's me and you Kiko Ponsune too When I'm
Hi
a
everybody,
baby
welcome back to my channel. My name is Molly, but I go by Dora. Yay. Anyway, here on YouTube. If it's your first time seeing my pretty little face and my son's handsome face, hit that subscribe button, as well as the post notification bell, as also that you are notified every time we put up a new video. So that was tickling. Today is Friday, and so far we've had breakfast. Gelo has taken his first nap of the day. He took an hour long, well, close to an hour, so I'm kind of happy about that. I'm gonna try to keep him up the whole day, depending on whether or not I get tired or what. But yeah, right now we're gonna be mopping the floor. I did tidy up and sweep last night and get it all ready. We're gonna be mopping the whole house, the bathroom, the kitchen, and the living area, and then the bedrooms we will sweep tomorrow because I need him to be out of the house for the dust and everything else like that. So yeah, this weekend's plans is basically, well, today I might go have a little wine and makeup session with my friend Kat, and then tomorrow my nephew's coming over. We're gonna have my nephew over for Saturday night, and his mom's gonna come get him on Sunday. And that is basically just about it. Whatever happens in between, we'll most probably be planning it as we go. So yeah, that's just the gist of the day. But yeah, right now I'm watching Nobody's Fool, and I'm gonna be cleaning the house, and that's about it. Yay! Say bye bye.
I bought the dress when I thought my ex and I were going to get married.
Okay, no bye for you guys.
Blowing in your smoke out the window. Tired of going where the wind blows. Feeling like you can't go wrong, but you keep it going. Blowing in your smoke out the window. Like it's the only way for you to get by. It's the only way for you to get high. Yeah. I've heard you say, one day we gon' be mad rich. One day we gon' look back and laugh at all the shit that happened. I've heard you say that patience is key.
We rolled around in bed for fun times. Don't mind my head. Okay, don't mind my figure. We rolled around in bed for a little bit because we get bored. Okay, we get bored. So now I'm about to make myself lunch. I'm gonna have flapjacks with a burger patty and some bacon. That's what I'm in the mood for. An egg, obviously. What is it? what is it? If you guys haven't noticed, I separate my bacon according to how much of it we actually eat, so that I don't have to keep preheating and all of that jazz. That's what we do. So now I'm just gonna defrost that. I'm gonna make myself eggs and then so you guys, Miguel is like such a problematic little human being, okay? He doesn't eat eggs, by the way. Miguel is allergic to eggs, so I don't know what he is having. That's really just my problem in life. It's figuring out what Miguel has. It was so much easier when it was purity, you guys. I don't want to lie to you guys. It was so much easier when we another purity. Hey.
Yeah. Picture me rolling around in the Benzo. All black, windows tinted with the bass low. Same homies I was with from the get-go. Hold it down till it's slower than a limbo. Breaking bread, put the fam on my payroll. Never slip, but I check who you with, bro. Ride or die chick, she won't get my info. Even if I sold packs with the endo. I got dreams of living life that's lavish. Work too hard, I gotta have it. Pray too hard, I gotta have it. All my life, I gotta have it. Dreams of living life that's lavish. Work too hard, I gotta have it. Pray too hard, I gotta have it. All my life, I gotta have it.
I'm jaded. See me in a drop top, faded. Beaming to the top, yeah, I made it. Praying on God, I've been waiting. I'm jaded. See me in a drop top, faded. Beaming to the top, yeah, I made it.
I am so confused, you guys, whether I want to rock. I look so pretty. I look busted but pretty. You do get the difference? You get the gist? But my skin is like wilding. If you guys haven't noticed, I break out a lot here. Hormonal breakouts. But yeah, BTW, am I the only one? Like, if you're having flapjacks with like bacon and stuff like that, do you put maple syrup? I do. I really enjoy it. It's even if like I have a breakfast somewhere, my bread, I don't just put butter, I'll put jam, because that's delicious to me. The sweets and the savory and the together gives me amazing. I need to stop putting the camera here because that's just weird. Just put it just so you guys can see everything. But yeah, we are about to take a bath. Yes. We are about to take a bath, but the water is still a bit cold. It's cold actually. The geyser wasn't up, so we just put the geyser up now. I saw a TikTok of somebody laughing and saying that people that put the geysers down, we do that, okay? I was raised like that. According to my mom, that saves electricity, okay? So that's what we do. That's what we do. So I put it up now. So I think we're most likely gonna take a bath at like 3 because it's 2 now. So we'll take a bath at 3. But for now, we're just gonna continue watching Modern Family and play a little with my little guy. When he woke up, this house was spotless, okay? I even mopped after he was up. Now, hurricane done hit my house. I'm hoping I'll be able to go with him to Toys R Us or like a toy store to see if actually he responds to toys. Omega doesn't like toys. Like, you can give him all the toys in the world, he will go try to find a wooden spoon to play with. So I just don't know. Yeah? Yeah. And it's hot today, guys. Like, it's blazing hot. Like, I'm gonna wear a dress. I haven't worn a dress in like a long time, but then it was winter, but I haven't worn a dress in a while, so I'm gonna wear a dress today. Either like the summer dress that I'm thinking of, or the other one, or I'll change into the other one when I go see Cat. So I don't know. I don't even know if I'm still going to go see Cat. Like, the way my life is set up. Oh yeah, BTW, I didn't work out today because I've just been tired this whole week. Nigella has been going through sleep regression, so we've just been hella tired. But today was a better day, so I'll start back up tomorrow again. Then hopefully I can see it through the whole weekend and the whole or next week as well, because I like how I look. Okay. Oh, actually no, the other reason why I didn't work out today is because I took laxative. Okay, I've been feeling so bloated and TMI, like my gas has been gassing. Okay, it has been. So I was just like, nah, let me clean my stomach so I can look schnaster for the weekend, detox a little bit. Hey. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Throw it in the water. Lucky for us, this is his play one, because we had to buy a new one because he had ruined. Actually, no, let me not blame my dear child. He didn't ruin that first one, it was already bad. So this old one is his play one, but obviously if he can throw that one in the water, he will think it's okay. So if by mistake he grabs the real one, whew, and simple, it's the lighting for me. Okay, if I done a reels, I was gonna be cute today, but I didn't because I was lazy. So yeah, anyway. Hey, buddy. Why are you all the way down there? You're gonna end up falling, you know. You keep just trying to get off the bed all the time. Hello, Monk, wonk, wonk. Let's go, bath. Bath time. Oh, no, mommy, I just woke up. Oh, no. So, you guys, it's later on in the day. I'm ready. I took a bath with Nomnigelo. I got ready. I look basic. I'm wearing my glasses. Therefore, you know I'm not going outside. I'm wearing my everyday graphic tee with jeans and slippers. Then we're gonna go. I'm gonna go see a friend of mine and just chill and have a little girls' night in a little bit. You know, gotta socialize and stuff. Hey, yeah. Anyway, let me do that. I'll talk to you guys when I'm there. Or if I don't record, just know because I'm meeting a new friend, a new person there, so I don't want to just like be recording, you know. So yeah. Anyway, daddy babe, say hi, babe.
Hi.
These, they're my boys. They go my boys. They go my boys. They go my boys. So yeah, we're gonna jet now. And we out of here. So you guys, we are literally at Fedal Mall, Fedal Shopping Center, Fedal Mall, whatever the hell it's called, because Daddy Bear is running in to go buy something. I just noticed my favorite wine has been rebranded, and it looks cheap, and I'm not happy about it. But I'll show you guys maybe later. He's upset because he usually goes outside, so now he's not outside. So like I was saying, you guys, I don't know if it is Swartland, but it was Swartland, so I don't know if it's like changed its like name or whatever. It looks like this now. I greatly dislike it. I liked the darker bottle because it was giving me very luxe-ish. But now, yes, baby. Here's what it looks like. This is what I'm taking to my friends. This is one of my favorite wines, more affordable wines. Chenin Blanc, that is. But usually I'm a Chardonnay person, but this will do the trick. This will get the buzz going properly. So yeah, that's all I have to say. That's all I have to say. We're still waiting for Daddy Bear. I don't know why he's taking forever and ever. This bob makes me look like such a decent human being, which I am, you know, which I am. But also, like, sometimes you want to look like a baddie, and this is not allowing me greatness. Mama. Hello. Yeah. What are you doing? I'm gonna tell Daddy. Report. So my Uber driver here, he was crying, so I needed to put him in the front seat. Instead, we put him back in the seat. but I'm already running super late. Not like we set a time, but I am running a little bit late now. Yes, buddy. So that's no fun. But hi. So I just got back home now, and I'm with my little buggy poop. And I was chilling with Kat and Balasa the whole night. So it's currently around 10:30. So I'm gonna get Miguel ready for bed. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, and most likely I'll see you guys tomorrow. So, but yeah, I'm also very hungry, intensively so. But anyway, I look busted, like I had a wig on, guys, so obviously I look better than this. Much better.
Hey, yo, Mark, you did this?
Oh, Bella get a tapelo, Mahodi Mabulele, oh, Blancuta. Oh, Bella get a tapelo, oh, Bella get a tapelo, Mahodi Mabulele, oh, Blancuta. Oh, Ngobanguwe nguphe ngiphamandla kunini ndilandela lemithetho seBhayibhelini kodwa kwenzakala inkosi yami Emmanuel mungaruna utlahlani kabulena utlile bari mahodi mongwana
We're gonna quickly rush to the mall, go buy stuff, and then we'll be back. So come just spend the whole day at home, watch animation movies hopefully. When we come back to the shows, we close, right? Maskia how? No. Let's go find Maskia. Yeah, how? Is it this one? Yes. There we go. All right, let's go. We've been praying all day and night. Vada fat, Marakatunga unadijan, Rejala fat. Ona jolebo makelo ne bari super kamenwa. Babona case. We are back home. As you can see, Genesis is crying outside because he just wants. Oh my God! He just wants to drive the whole time. He just wants to drive, so he's crying. Oh, hi. Zangoma.
Hey, yo, Mark, you did this?
Ah, when my babe, gelunga ngishiye, stand aside. My babe, girl, yes, stand aside. Mobuya zuguti, zohlala nawe njalo, zubuzonke. Mobuya zuguti, zohlala nawe njalo, bakhulume njalo mina now so fast lahlane dali wami so hlala simunye tubuzonke dali wami mina nawe sathandana bayeke bakhulu bayeke bathe bayeke bakhulu bayeke batete wema babe cela ungangishiye sithandwa sakho wema babe cela ungangishiye sithandwa sakho ngoba uyazi ukuthi zohlala nawe njalo nsuku zonke ngoba uyayazi ukuthi zohlala.
So guys, it's the end of the day and your girl is done. Mother of two. I don't know how people with two under two do it, because I could not even. But they're both still up, but Otto is in bed gearing up for bedtime. He's watching tablet for a little bit. I'm gonna go check in on him in like 15 minutes so I can take it. Then as you can hear, Mnigelo is crying. His dad is trying to put him to sleep. And I'm gonna take like the next 30 minutes to myself, watch a YouTube video or something, and be cool. I will see the dishes and everything tomorrow, honey, because you're all tired. I didn't get to do anything because I didn't get to record. Hear my son crying. Anyway, shopping, you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah.
Then dip me underway. You can hit me on my foot, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
Happy Sunday. It's Sunday right now, but I know when you guys are watching this, it's a Monday, but it's Sunday and I'm only now getting time to actually just come and say hi and talk about my day and everything else like that, because I've been a mom too. Okay, I've been running around kids, I've been looking after children, and I also washed my hair. I wash my hair once a week now, which is what it is, you know, when you don't do braids. This is why I'm this close to doing braids again, but I think I'm gonna, you know, just like really super blonde ones at the end of this month, though, just to go into summer looking like a baddie. Who's that? No time to myself. But yeah, so far we've only been at the house. We've had lunch. It's actually around 6. My sister's on her way to come get my nephew. Yes. Yeah, is it? So then, yes, baby. We're also making dinner now. Daddy Bear's cooking dinner. My mom was here. My mom bought a new car, by the way. She was coming to come show it to me. I hadn't had time to see it this whole week because she's been working and I've been chilling with this guy, and it's just she's been knocking off super late. So she came to show me the car, but that's really just about it. That's what my Sunday's looking like. Guys, my hair is hair. Do you know your natural hair is like natural hair? I want to learn to do like those wool twisties so that I can have it out and let it fly like that, but I don't think my hair has the capabilities of doing that. This guy paused the recording, but anyway, I'll chat to you guys a little bit later as well. But for right now, Daddy Bear is watching soccer. I'm waiting for my sister to come get what I do, and then that'll be it for the day. I might do Kello's laundry now as well and put up throughout the night because this weather is giving cold. This weather is giving, it's a bit chilly. So yeah, I showered as well and I'm clean. High buns, one thing about a high bun, it will make you look so slim. I haven't worked out this whole weekend. I'm like upset with myself, but tomorrow we're starting out strong. I haven't been drinking as well, alcohol detox, just a little bit, just to try to see what it does for my body. But yeah, anyway, I'll see you guys a little bit later. Okay.